rock. That means that you're packing my food right now.
I have the food. I have the food so that you guys won't let me wander off.
Okay.
I was following the eye, 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 was following the pack, all swallowed in their coats, with scarves of red tied round their throats, to keep their little heads from falling in the snow. And I turned round and there you go, and Michael, you would fall and turn the white snow red as strawberries in the summertime.
So we've hiked about 9 miles, and we decided that this is where we're going to camp.
You know why? Because it's the most beautiful place in life. Isn't it? I mean, can we just take a look at what is happening here?
If I had a cane, I would have. And if that looks kind of like stabbed it into the ground and said, only so.
Wait, Weston, say that again.
I said, if I had a cane, I would have resolutely and confidently smashed it into the ground and said, "This is the place."
And you know what? We would have both agreed.
Indeed.
Swallowed in their coats, with scarves of red tied round their throats, to keep their little heads from falling in the snow. And I turned round and there you go, and Michael, you...
Weston found a can. What did you say that was? Boneless. You seriously? No. What are you thinking? This was someone else's trash. Someone else left all their trash in their fire pit over there, and now Weston is eating it. Why are you eating it? How is it?
Actually, really good.
No way.
Yeah,
At its best, that isn't that good, let alone from someone else's trash.
I will buy you a steak dinner if you try it and you tell me it's actually really disgusting.
That is compelling. The stakes are actual stakes in this scenario.
By the time you're even building up the courage to eat it, I'm gonna have finished the whole thing though.
Oh.
All right.
Good morning.
It's cold. It's freezing, but it's also going to be very sunny later, so we're ready.
Yeah, so he's prepared for a sunny day and a cold day. But day 2 of the hike, going for the summit, pretty exciting. Look at that bird. That's the kind of bird I keep seeing.
Yeah.
What is it? And you'll
don't
never
know.
see it because he's pointing at our faces.
Also, there's frost on the tent.
Frost on
In
everything.
case you're thinking we're wimps for
for feeling cold.
feeling cold in the summer in Utah.
But we're going to summit and we're going to beat the thunderstorm that apparently is coming even though the sky is perfectly blue right now. Weather is crazy in Utah, so who knows? Carry on!
And turn the white snow red as strawberries in the summertime. The scarves
guys.
of red tied
What's
round
going on
their
with you?
hills to keep
Whoa, hi. Hi. You guys are so nice. Hi.
Sí. King's Peak. Sí. ¿Cuál es? ¿Y por qué vamos para acá? El camino está por ahí. ¿Empieza a ir para allá? Sí. ¿De aquí? Oh.
All right, this is our snack break before the final push. How do you guys feel?
I feel amazing. I'm ready for it.
You just said you were never going to move from that spot.
Definitely ready for it. I also told Brian I was going to carry his pack all the way up. And then I was like, let's not do that.
Never mind. I hope there's some kind of proof that that's really King's Peak. It looks like a hill, but I guess we did. We have come like 15 miles to get to here.
penniless and tied with your hair grown long. I was looking at you there, and your face looked wrong. Memory is a fickle siren song I didn't understand.
We made it!
We actually already shot this video, but it didn't record. So this is real, genuine enthusiasm.
But we're equally excited, don't you worry.
We are. We're still excited because this is the highest point in Utah, King's Peak.
And here we are.
And we're only mildly injured.
It is beautiful.
It is.
It is. And we met some
So
beautiful
many
people up here as well.
lakes. Yeah.
People that you might know, Michaela.
Michaela, a single bomb. Hello. It's the smallest world in the world because these ladies served in Africa with my little sister, and we met them here, a world away.
Gentle light as the morning is, you don't say a single word of the last 2 years where you were when you reached the frontier.
Yeah. There's 5 now.
Oh my gosh,
Way to call 'em.
it's a whole family reunion.
I did